Let's make karak chai, the tea with a twist. We're not adding water to the pan, we'll be adding sugar. I'll be making 6 cups of tea. So for that, I'll be taking 6 spoons of sugar. We need to caramelize it. When you start cooking the sugar, cook it on medium flame and then slow down the flame. As you see, the sugar has started melting. Please cook it on very low flame at this point because the sugar gets caramelized very fast and then it turns to taste bitter. I'll be adding 3 cups of water in it. Don't worry, the sugar will get crystallized. It's okay as you're adding the room temperature water to it. 3. Now switch on the flame. The sugar will start melting. See how beautiful color of the water. Now let's make it more flavorful and yummy and healthy. So we'll add the cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. We'll be taking 5 to 6 cardamoms. Cardamom and tea are the best friends. Let's make it more healthy. Just grate little of ginger in it for the ginger lovers who love ginger in the tea. It helps in cold and cough also as a remedy. That's it. Now we'll cover it and boil it for 1 minute. Let all the flavor of the ingredients infuse in the water. The water, wow, amazing. Now we'll be adding 3 to 4 teaspoons of tea. Cover it and let it come to boil. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes and let it simmer. Let's check. Perfect color. Time to add the milk. We'll be adding around 2.5 cups of milk. You can add according to your taste. Some people like more of milk and less of water. Some people like less of milk and more of water. In India, we call it a masala tea also, or the karak chai. So let's cover it and give it a boil for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Let's check the tea. The karak chai is almost done. Our tea is ready. Now let's serve it. Let's serve it in a proper, authentic way. The chai in kullad with biscuits and bread.